Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of Magento. So today we are going to learn if we are going to delete any of the product and still think that I have deleted the product wrongly and it's not correct and it's deleted from the database. So on that note, what you're going to do it? You have to create a new product again. So to recut this kind of things, or you can you avoid this kind of things, what we can do, we can move that product in the trash, right? So suppose I want to delete this product. Okay, if I go and just go and here I'm just go and action delete. Okay, I have deleted this product wrongly. I have deleted this product, right? Duffel bag has been deleted. Okay, one record has been deleted. And if I go to my trash can, here I have created a one which products are deleted. You can see that just duffel bag has been simple product has been deleted. Okay, so if here you have the option that you want to restore that product or you want to delete it completely. Okay, so here you can restore. If you have to click on this restore, and then that product gonna be restore automatically. The trash can is empty and you can see that the products with the just duffel bag is there, right? So this is the feature that you can do it. Suppose, right? So suppose, let's see, we are going to delete this action, delete this product. Okay, I want to delete this product whatever it is, but still I need to, I guess maybe we have to update the data or something. Let me flush the cache or reindex something. Let me check the reindexing also. Reindex Magento 2 command. Okay, so let me check this. How to reindex where command line. Reindexer where it is. See this one. So I'm going to paste this command here. So I'm going to add sudo php bin reindex. So it is reindexing right now. Okay, let's add the permission at the same moment. Okay, so let's move to the block. So here we are going to have on this. Okay, so I mean this product is basically not deleted, but it's on the trash can, right? If I'm going to delete here from here, if I'm going to delete this product, delete it, it says that refresh the cache, flush the cache Magento, and go to the catalog products. So you can see that just duffel bag is deleted automatically, fully completely deleted. So whatever you're going to delete it from here, it will be still here, but it moved to the trash one, right? Let's take an example, one more. So it's a simple product. I'm going to delete this product. Okay, so let's delete this product. Okay, I'm deleting this product, and I'm trying to search in the front end what exactly it is. Let's see that. Stores, system, cache management. Okay, flush the cache Magento. So let's go with the pub here. I'm going to add it here. Okay, so let's go to the bags. So here you can see that there is only crown summer pack wafer. Let me show you. So here we have crown. This product is still not visible. That means it is deleted, but it's here, but it's deleted, right? Product is not available. It moved to the trash one, right? So whenever I try to restore this product in the trash can, because so see that I can restore again this product, and again I want to flush the cache. Okay, and check my product back. So here is only the crown one. I'm going to reload this product. Let me flush the reindex also, and add the permissions. Okay, now reload this. You can see that stripe shoulder pack available now. So whenever you have such kind of functionality like in WooCommerce, you can see that all the products are already in the trash and we can restore it or permanently delete it, right? Same feature we are trying to implement in this Magento part, right? And it's a cool feature, right? So if you want this tutorial to be uploaded full code with the source code, just let me know in the comment section, then I will upload the full source code. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Have a nice